I'm Marlene Spees for John Garlock. Jurors in the first-degree murder trial of Seth Techel began to hear testimony about the contentious relationship between the agency man accused of murder and his neighbor, Brian Tate, as the second week of Techel's murder trial opened this morning. The defense contends it was Tate, not Techel, who killed Lisa Caldwell Techel in the early morning hours of May 26, 2012. Lead defense counsel Stephen Gardner has indicated that he will argue that Tate's mental illness caused him to strike out at the neighbor he considered terrorists. Today, prosecutors began to give the jury some insight into why the now-deceased Tate might have thought he was being terrorized. The state called Michael Owings to the stand. Owings was one of 4 area youth who were involved in the vandalism of the Tate property in the weeks before the murder. Vandalism that prosecutors say was committed at Seth Techel's request.
He didn't really tell us to do anything. He just told us to mess up his yard a little. So that's all we were going to do.
Did he tell you specifics of how he wanted you to mess up his yard?
Nope. Whatever happened was what came out of our heads.
Okay. Can you take...
In this particular case, Owings told jurors that the group dumped buckets of dog feces on Tate's porch. The day's testimony began with DCI agent Mike Halverson back on the stand for cross-examination. Halverson led the evidence-gathering team at the scene. The veteran agent told jurors that he ignored items like the peanut butter sandwich and a discarded glove found on the porch because in his experience they had no probative value in solving the case. The defense contends that ignoring such items